Hey guys, welcome to my channel and I hope you all having a great weekend out there. So in today's video, I'm gonna demonstrate how to gain root privileges using a kernel exploit. Let's say that you have remote access to a machine via SSH, but as a low-level user, and you want to escalate your privileges to root. Now there are several techniques to achieve that, but for this video, I'll show you how to exploit a kernel vulnerability. I'll be utilizing the Room Linux privilege escalation on TryHackMe for this video. So first things first, we have the username and password here. So let's connect to it with the given credentials and see what's up. SSH Karen at 10.10.155.187. Type in yes. And the password is password1 with the capital P. Alright, now let's see who we are. And we are Karen, obviously. Nothing's ever that easy, guys, trust me. Let's check the OS version here. Alright, now we can simply ask Uncle Google if a kernel exploit exists for this version. Let's copy this and hop onto Google. Paste this thing here and type in exploit. Now we got a couple of results here. Let's click the first result, which takes us to the exploit database. Okay, so we have exploit here, and at the top here it says this is for the following Ubuntu distros. Let's check our Linux distro version. To do that, we simply type in cat/etc/lsb-release, and it says 14.04, and if you look over here, we have 14.04 listed here. Same thing over here, 14.04. So yeah, we are good to go. Looking at this, it looks like it's written in C, so we'll have to download it, compile it, and run it. We can either copy paste all of this or download and transfer it onto the victim machine. I'm gonna download this onto my computer and show you how to set up a Python server and transfer it onto the victim machine. Click on download, save file, and hit OK, and it's done. Now if I check in my downloads folder, cd downloads ls, and it's there. Let's rename this file to something else like exploit. Now start up a Python server. Python-m for module, simple HTTP server, and I'm gonna run this on port 8080. Okay, so we are up and running. Now over here on the victim machine, let's see where we are right now. We are in the root directory, so let's navigate to a temp folder. Okay, now let's get this file onto this machine. And to do that, we type in wget http, and I forgot to note down my IP address. But no biggie, we will check it quickly over here. Just open up a new tab, ipconfig tunnel 0 because we're on VPN. And here it is, 10.2.69.151. Let's close this. And we are running on port 8080. And the file name exploit. And here it is. Alright, let's close this one up. Let me stop this first. Okay buddy, your job's done. Off you go. Thank you. Let's minimize this as well. So, before we fire this thing up, we need to compile it. And to do that, we will use the GCC tool here. Type in GCC exploit and output it to something like, let's rename it to Linux privilege escalation. linprosk. Okay. Now we just have to make sure that it's executable. It is. If it's not, we would have to type in chmod +x and the file name to make it executable. But we don't need to do that here. Now let's fire this up. And Shazam! Alright, let's see if that worked. Who am I? I am root. So now we can go ahead and access the file that we didn't have access to before, or just capture the flag if it's the CTF. Hope you like this video even though it was pretty simple and very basic. Please do like, comment and subscribe. And if you have any suggestions or tips, do let me know. Until next time, signing off.